typing long messages on your phone can get tiring real fast. That's where WhatsApp Web comes in. It lets you access your chats, send messages, and share files directly from your computer. If you have never used it before or you're not sure how the setup works, don't worry. It's easy and quick once you know the steps. In today's video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp Web on a Windows PC, from linking your phone to logging in, staying connected, and understanding how it works behind the scenes. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your desktop or PC, go to web.whatsapp.com. Then open your WhatsApp app on your phone. If you own an Android, tap on Menu. If you own an iPhone, tap on Settings. Tap on Link Devices. Tap on Link Device. Scan the QR code as displayed on your desktop PC, and the page will load and your WhatsApp chats will be loaded on your web browser. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.